Look at the nature. The nature is beautiful. That is the landscape, which is very suitable for growing of crops and rearing of animals. The other one, this can be turned. One structure is used on this, and irrigation is applied, or natural rain is applied. All those tainted grasses, they will become lively. They can be improved. This is good for animal rearing. And also too, once tractor turns it around and fertilizer is applied, it will come well. Look at this. This is beautiful. Where you see greens, vegetative cover, that means anything can grow into it. So these are natural, these are wild plants which have grown naturally. You can look at them, and this manifests that the soil textures is really very fertile. Look at that, how beautiful nature is. Look at that, the way it is flowering. This is nature is beautiful. Look at that pink flowers. It is actually trying now to produce a seed. Thanks.